Hey there, it's me, Kathy. Everybody on social media is copycatting the Taco Bell crunchwrap, and today I'm gonna do it too. And it's gonna be, sort of my version. I had some sausage left over from a recipe I made recently, and so we're gonna do, we're gonna cook some peppers and onions in the sausage, and we're going to do a sausage quesadilla crunchwrap. And here we go. We're going to start by spraying a skillet with some non-stick cooking spray. And then we're going to take our sausage meat. This is bulk sausage if you had just regular sausage at home. Or you could use ground beef or whatever. Anyway, we're just going to break it up. And we're going to cook it up till it's no longer pink. As you can see, our sausage is starting to brown up nicely. Pretty tough to break up. It's very sinewy. But it'll still be good in our crunchwrap. And we're going to cook it till all the pink is gone. Okay, our sausage is browned and it looks like it's fully cooked. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove this from our skillet onto a plate. Okay, the meat is out. I'm going to set that aside. And to this fat in the pan, we're going to add some peppers and onions. You can choose any color pepper that you want. I chose red. And those are going in. And we are going to season these vegetables very taco-like. We're going to do some salt just for flavor. And some pepper. Okay. And what else have we got? Whoops. I moved you some smoked paprika, some cumin. If you have taco seasoning at home, you can use that instead, but I like to mimic taco seasoning. Some chili powder. And my arm, some cilantro. In a couple of minutes we're going to add garlic, but right now we're going to stir these around to soften them up a bit. Get them seasoned and smelling nice. And next thing is going to be garlic. Okay, our vegetables are nicely softened and so fragrant. We're going to add in some garlic. I gotta go to the farmer's market to buy some more garlic. And at this point, we're gonna add our meat back in too. Stir all that to blend. And then we're gonna go to the next step. Just a quick peek at our finished meat mixture. It's lovely. And you wish you had smell-o-vision because it smells amazing. Our next step is to make our nacho cheese sauce, or you can call it queso, or whatever. We're gonna take some salsa and mix it with some cubed. This is Velveeta that I had. You can buy nacho cheese sauce, or you can, buy Cheese Whiz or something like that and use that. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pop this in the microwave for a couple of minutes and see how it comes out. I forgot to mention we're gonna cover it first. This is what we look like after 2 minutes. And I think we are ready to go. Okay, let's build this crunch wrap. I've never done one of these before, so I don't know how to fold it or anything, but we'll get through it. And we're gonna put about, 2/3 of a cup. So that is our meat mixture. And then we're going to top the meat mixture with some of our queso. That's gonna make it ooey and gooey and cheesy and delicious. And next step, and I didn't have any crostadas, and I didn't feel like going to the store, but I do have these tortilla chips. So we're gonna put those in. Make sure it's flat. And a little bit of shredded lettuce. And a little diced tomato. And a dollop of sour cream. Very nice. And then finish it up with a little more cheese, some shredded cheddar. And then we're going to top it with a smaller tortilla. Give it a little press. And like I said, I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. But I've watched all the videos of all the people doing it, so I should be able to pull it off. Whoops, rippy. No ripping. Okay. Let's get the hands off of it so we can have a look. And now I had a bright idea. There it is. We're going to flip it over onto its face. Because we're going to fry it with the face side down, just seal all that stuff in. Okay, turn over, baby. Nice. Okay, this guy, and I've decided instead of doing this in a pan, I'm going to throw this in my air fryer. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we're ready to rock. We're going to take out the basket of the air fryer. We're going to spray it real well. Use a non-stick cooking spray. And we're going to put this bad boy inside. And like I said about my air fryer, it's not one that has to be preheated. If you have one that needs to be preheated, then you should be preheating it to 400 degrees. Spray the top first, because we're going to flip it over. But I just want to make sure that happens. All right, so we're going to set this, I don't know if you can see, to 400. And we're going to go for about 2 minutes. And we'll see what happens. Our timer's going off. Now let's see what we got. Well, it's browning up nicely. We're going to take a spatula and flip this over. All right, we're going back in. Okay, our timer has gone off. And even though the edges aren't very pretty on this, it's nicely browned. And we're going to take it out of here. So we're going to cut this open and see what it looks like inside. Okay, here's what it looks like on the inside. Ooey and gooey and cheesy and meaty and peppers and onions. And the next one I do, I'm going to cook it a little longer, so I may update this video with a better looking one. Thank you for joining me on my experimentation with the sausage quesadilla crunch wrap. It was kind of messy, but it tasted delicious. And we're going to make some more of those at some other time. But thanks for coming along. And always remember to play with your food.